Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna hop in the box truck. We're gonna head to one of our locations. It's a medical facility. We got 4 machines there. We go twice a week. This is gonna be the second time we go this week. We're gonna pull the money out. We're gonna see how we did this week. We're in the middle of the Corona shutdown, but it is a medical facility, so they're still operational, even though it's down some. So we're gonna ride along, check it out, and see how good we did this week. Okay, so as you see, we went in, checked the machines, got the order. Then we come to the box truck and we get the drinks we need. And then we go based on our order, you know, grab all the snacks, all the candy, throw it in the bin, and then load your carts up. We're gonna load our cart up and push it in and then fill the machines up. All right, back at the office. We serviced the account, got the bag. Now it's time to do the fun part. Everybody loves vending, right? Because why? Because you can get the cash out. So we'll pull the cash out of our bag, and we've got coins in here, and we've got our bills in here. But we need to get a total. So we're gonna take our coins that are in this bag. We're gonna run it through our coin counter. This counts and sorts the coins. And we're gonna take all our bills, which are mixed denomination, so it has some 5s in it. Obviously, we gotta get that sorted out, so we're gonna run them through our 2 machines here to get them sorted, and we're gonna come out with a bill total and a coin total, and we're gonna report back. Okay, so we got our coins totaled up, we got our bills totaled up, and again, this is a 1-week collection of cash and coins. It doesn't include the credit card reader sales, but just to show you the cash collection. Now, so we got our ones. This is $441 in ones. That was that total. Had some $50 and $10 bills in this total, and $105 in 5s. So that gives us $596 in bills. And then in our coins, we had $52. So total, it was $648 from this collection. Now, this is the process we do with most all of our accounts. We go out, we service them, bring the money back in, we process it. If you're interested in learning of how to do that on your own, we do have an ebook available. The link is in the bio. or the link is in the description below on how you can start or grow your own vending business. But just wanted to give a little collection video. Everyone likes seeing the money. Everyone likes seeing what's possible. And vending, for me, who started 6 years ago in this business, I've grown a lot and learned. It wasn't always like this. My first collections were like this, but getting the right accounts and getting the right machines, able to grow to a good income. So awesome. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you liked it, consider subscribing. Leave any questions you have about this video in the comments below. And remember, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.